how to make and create album cover on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so what you have to do, go to canva.com and log into your account. This is the home page. Click on create a design and search for cover. Click on album cover right here and it will take you to this page. Now choose a template from here. You have many professional templates, for example this one, and now from here you can edit this template very easy and fast. You have many options here, as you can see. For example this one, you can add your photo, you can change the text and everything from here. After you finish editing your album cover, all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top, click share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.